Hey guys, and welcome to All for Shooters and All for Hunters. We're here in Huangzhou, China, about 250 kilometers or so from Shanghai. It's a very famous city in China because it actually hosted for 2 times the emperor and has an immense tradition and history. It has also been nominated by Marco Polo in his memoirs. One thing is, it's also one of the most important technological cities in China, and it hosts the headquarters of HIKMICRO. Part of one of the world's largest technological giants rooted in image and information technology, HIKMICRO relies on its vast know-how and experience in many different fields to offer excellence in hunting and sporting electro and thermal imaging optics. HIKMICRO offers observation optics, rifle scopes, clip-on devices. Every component in HIKMICRO optics is built in-house, including its very foundation, the image sensor, which in the case of thermal imaging is a microbolometer chip, as we will see in our factory tour. So here in the showroom, we find a thermal imaging device, which is essentially a device that is used for industrial applications and that essentially measures the temperatures, visualizing them on a screen. It's important essentially because it is one of the first devices from which the technology that we use in hunting and sporting purposes come from. So guys, we are in another part of the HIKMICRO factory. This is where the sensors are manufactured. Basically, this is a very high security facility. We're going to be restricted in what we can show you, but essentially what's done here is the heart of these devices. HIKMICRO Research and Development Center is rightfully secretive. The same building complex houses the chip fab in which the vanadium oxide technology thermal sensors are built from silicon wafers. And we were not allowed filming, for example, either the MEMS or WLP machinery. We are actually looking at the fab from outside through windows. Hey guys, as you see, I'm completely dressed up for the part. This is all anti-static materials because we are inside right now at the HIKMICRO manufacturing facility. We are going to be seeing how these devices are assembled because most of the parts are basically built outside and assembled, tested, and even packaged in here. But come with me and let's see how they're doing it. HIKMICRO factory is located in one of the very large manufacturing building of the parent company, and is organized in a way that allows very fast reorganization of the production lines based on the needed products. Almost built to order, but on a large scale. Although all assembly is done by competent workers, there is a high level of automation, especially in the logistics and supply of parts, completed products and tooling using AI-driven robots that roam around as we visit the labs. The various stations build sub-assemblies of the thermal imaging optical products, and all testing is carried out immediately upon construction, so that at every step the assembled parts are cleared for the following integration in the production line. Delicate work on specific parts needing clean rooms are done in small pressurized and filtered workstations cabinets. We visited the final assembly line, all electronic components, proprietary ASICs, these SMT boards, injection molded housings, objective lenses, and mechanical parts are all in-house built in other manufacturing facilities owned by HIKMICRO parent company, and all converge here to be assembled in the completed product. All products are again tested to the prescribed performance specification upon completion and then serialized. The tested product is packaged with its suite accessories, and the boxed product is then shipped out of the factory headed for distribution. Samples are randomly taken out of the HIKMICRO assembly line to perform additional tests, such as environmental resistance or vibration and impact tests, especially for rifle scopes and clip-on optical devices that are meant to be mounted on firearms. So this concludes our visit at HIKMICRO, which is a very small part of a huge, immense organization that's Hikvision. And I hope you'll enjoyed our factory tour. Any comments, please post them below, and don't forget to continue following All for Shooters on allforhunters.com.